If you can make the T sound, t, 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 then you can make the S sound. S. Look in a mirror and smile. Now make the T sound. T. Did you see your tongue come out like this? No. Now let's pretend to make an exploding T sound like this. Don't let your tongue come out. Now let's practice with 4 regular T's and 1 exploding T. T, 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 tss. 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 Nice job! Have you ever cooked anything? When we cook something on a hot pan, it makes a sizzling sound like this. Let's pretend to hold that sizzling sound as we cook an egg. A can of spray paint makes the same sound. When you see it spraying, say that sound. And when it stops, hold your tongue in the same position. Don't let it drop. After that, you'll see an S. Make the S sound from the same position. Follow along. Awesome job!